Today we are going to demonstrate how to make Kung Pao chicken. To make this dish, you will need to prepare the following ingredients. Make sure to begin by washing your hands. Store the chicken in the bottom shelf of the refrigerator as it has the highest minimum internal cooking temperature at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and store it so that it does not contaminate other items. To begin the marinade, dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water in a small bowl, and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oil. Cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces and place it in a glass dish or bowl. Make sure to use a separate knife for cutting the chicken to prevent cross-contamination. Also be sure to have a designated cutting board for the chicken. This helps prevent foodborne illnesses. Add the marinade to the chicken and toss to coat. Cover the dish and refrigerate your chicken for 30 minutes. Start your sauce while your chicken is marinating. In a small bowl, dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Combine the remaining 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oil, and add 1 ounce of chili paste, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add in sliced green onions, finely minced garlic, water chestnuts, and peanuts, and mix together. Heat the sauce in a medium-sized skillet over medium-low heat until the sauce thickens. The sauce is thickening, remove the chicken from the marinade and begin sauteing in a large skillet until the chicken is white and juices begin to run clear. As you will see, the chicken will almost immediately begin to change color. Chicken is a white meat and we are specifically working with chicken breast. It is a white meat because there is a lower concentration of myoglobin, as chickens do not get as much exercise because of their lack of the ability to fly. When cooking white meat, the proteins denature and coagulate to become opaque and whitish. White meat cooks faster than dark meat, which makes it become a bit overly dry since the internal cooking temperature, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, exceeds the ideal temperature for retaining moisture and because it is not as high in fat. Add the thickened sauce to the skillet and let it simmer until the sauce coats the chicken. When the meat is cooked, the proteins are affected. Actin and myosin, which are the 2 primary fibers within meat, denaturing, meaning the composition and shape is altered. Actin begins to shrink and tighten around 150 to 163 degrees Fahrenheit, which expels water. We use dry heat preparation through frying, specifically sauteing. The high heat makes muscle fibers contract and release water. To ensure the chicken's doneness, the pieces must be turned on all sides. As for the methods of heat transfer, we use conduction. Conduction is used when the heat from the stove is transferred to the skillet. The center of the food is also cooked via conduction as the surface heat transfers to the center. Remove the chicken from the skillet. Letting the meat rest now lets the coagulated myosin filaments relax. This moisturizes the rest of the meat. Enjoy your Kung Pao chicken.